Okay, so now we're going to take a look at linkers. And when we say linkers, we're talking about a relatively small group right here, but they all have something in common. And we're going to talk about what they have in common at the end. The words we're looking at are despite, because of, in addition to, in contrast to, and such as. I guess technically those aren't all words, they're phrases, but you get the idea. So you have a text about the Hyundai Tucson. Okay, nice car from what I hear. And down here, they're asking you to select the words in this box. So let's go ahead and do that now. So now that we've chosen all these words, we can look at how they work. The point of selecting these words isn't just to find them. That's pretty easy. What we're trying to do here is analyze a little bit how they are used. Okay? And there's quite a few clues that we can find here. But first, let's just take a look at some of the rules. Okay? Because of. We know that because always gives us a reason. It's the answer to why. Okay? In addition to is a pretty simple one. Okay? Because that just gives you extra information about something. It adds to what you know. In addition. Okay? In contrast, let's do this one. Such as gives an example or examples. Okay? Despite shows you a difference from one part of the sentence to another that might be surprising. And in contrast to shows a difference between two similar things. Okay? Now, here's the important part. When we get into what follows these words and how they're used, it's pretty important. Because of is different than because, and you need to remember that. So let's go back up here and look at because of. Because of the fact, because of the good reputation. Okay, both of those are noun phrases. In contrast to some of its competitors. Some of its competitors. That is also a noun phrase. What type of verb comes after despite? Being and increasing. So that's clearly an ing verb. Okay? And why might it be a little surprising that Tucson has become more popular than its competitors? Because Hyundai is a little more expensive. Okay. And which expression in the second paragraph has the same meaning as such as in the first paragraph? Okay, let's go and we'll do this such as. And it's that one right there. Okay. For example, so here we've got such as the Toyota Camry and for example the Renault Duster. Okay, so it's giving us an example. Has the same meaning as because of. Okay, let's go to because of. And we're looking for something that gives us a reason. Okay, that tells us why something happened. All right. Now let's see. Are we looking for in the first or the second paragraph? In the second paragraph. There it is. As a result of. Okay. Okay, as well as reliability, what do consumers want from their vehicles? And they want them to be fuel efficient. These are just a couple of reading questions to keep you on your toes. Efficient. And all Hyundai's competitors offer an extensive warranty service. Okay. In contrast to some of its competitors. Okay. So we don't know if all of them So that is not given. I hope this helps. Of course, there are some rules in the presentation section that can help you. And look at this one down here. Okay, this is one of the things we talked about. All of these linkers are followed by a noun phrase, or a verb in the ing form. If you remember that, you should do fine on the practice. Good luck.